Thank you for purchasing the Victory Pavement Scooter. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Victory Pavement Scooter should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. On this model, the batteries must be installed separately. In this video, we'll give you a detailed explanation of how to install your batteries. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Lift out and set aside the seat and armrests. Turn the dial on the bottom to unlock the tiller. Then lift it up by the handset, then twist the dial again to lock the tiller in a fixed standing position. Lift out the front basket, then remove the excess packaging to access the main scooter body. To remove the scooter body, we recommend that you tidily break the box by cutting it along the edge. We do not recommend you attempt to lift the Victory scooter out unless you have assistance, as it is quite heavy. Flick the red switch to put the scooter into freewheel mode, then push the scooter out of the box. Now it's time to install the batteries. First, lift off the shrouding on the back of the scooter. Here you will find two sets of cables that connect to the batteries. Disconnect these two cables by the red plugs and set the cables aside, one for each battery. This scooter requires two 12-volt, 34 amp-hour sealed lead-acid batteries. Once unboxed, remove the screws on either end of the battery to unlock the terminals. Make sure you keep the screws with their respective washers. Take a cable and push the rubber cover back to reveal the metal ring on the end. Now you can connect the cable to the battery. With the washers now realigned with the screw, feed the cable end under the handle and connect it to the terminal on top. Make sure the black end of the cable connects to the negative terminal and the red end is connected to the positive terminal. Connect the ring with the terminal using the screw and tighten with a spanner to make sure it's fully secure. When in place, push down the rubber cable cover to protect the terminal. Repeat this process with the other cable on the second battery. Once you have dropped the cable onto the battery, you are now ready to put them onto the scooter. Remove these Velcro straps, then carefully place the battery on the platform. Secure the battery in place using the Velcro strap. This will prevent the battery from moving around and becoming disconnected when driving the scooter over rough and rugged terrain. Remember to do this for both batteries. Join the two halves together, red to red and then black to black. Then the final part is to connect the batteries to the scooter by attaching the remaining black plug, which will make the scooter live. Prior to putting the shroud on, turn the ignition key to see if you have power and pull the wigwag or throttle. A green light will come on if you have power and you can see how much charge is in the batteries on the battery gauge. Once this is done, drop the shrouding back into place. Packaged with the front basket, you should find the instruction manual, the battery charger, the seat post, and the ignition key. Once you've attached the front basket, you can now attach the seat. Drop the seat post into the seat base and use the holes on the side to find your desired height. Once you have found a height that suits you, secure the post in place with the push pin and again with a long-handled bolt. Once you've removed the rubber cover on the bottom, drop the seat onto the seat post. Lift the handle underneath to make sure the seat is secure, and again if you wish to swivel the seat for easier access on and off your scooter. Now you can attach the armrests. Undo these small screws on the side of the seat, then slide the armrests into place. Once you have found a comfortable width on the armrests, secure them to the seat by using the knobs underneath. Your product is now ready for use. We ask that you please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any more questions about the CareCo Victory or its assembly, then have a look at careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.